Today we have the 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just over 61,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access navigation, information, smartphone integration, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel just below. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.